Hello guys, today I have the Realme 16 Pro 5G and I'm going to show you what to do if you have your battery percentage not showing in your status bar. So as I can see here in the battery icon, you should see your battery percentage. If you don't see actually it here, you need to tap on first settings, and here now you need to go to the battery. Now scroll all the way down and tap Show Battery Level in the status bar. Here, battery percentage, tap it. You can select either the second one or the first one. But it looks like I do prefer the second one. Now, if you are sure that you have selected this or this one of these two actually, if you are sure and you don't still have it, you need to now exit your settings and open here Play Store. Search and search. Here now you need to search for the Battery Widget. And then search. Here now we do have this one from Thomas Hubalek. Tap this install button over here. And tap open. Here now you need to tap start automatically, and now here add widget. Here the first one, add, and now on the home screen you will have your battery percentage. If you don't see here your battery percentage still, you need to have some blank or something like that, you need to now try to restart your device. If after restart nothing helps, you need to contact the device support because your device may be broken. Goodbye.